Here we have a Miller Syncrowave 350 welder. On this unit we have a stick welder hooked up to it, so we can show you that it welds. But it can do TIG welding. We don't have the TIG gun here. We don't have one available to do the TIG welding, but we'll turn it on here and show you a few things here. All right, just to show you, the high frequency right now is off, but we're gonna turn it on so you can kind of see these contacts turn on here. See that spark right there? Okay, that you use when you're doing your TIG welding. That's if you want to use your high frequency. It's also got like, use AC, but we're going to use the DC for regular arc welding, and you can also use you can flip it, use like your negative and positive polarity will change, but we're going to just use regular DC welding here, and we got it right here around 40, let's go 50. We'll do a turn it up a little bit here. I'm gonna go like 65 and show you a little bit increased. That's a decent weld, and that's without, well, that's just a regular stick welding. You can see how much hotter it is, and that's just at about 60, 62 amps right here. So I turned it up, I went from 50 to about 62, and you can tell the difference on the heat. Okay, that is the Miller Syncrowave 350 welder.